Life is too short for you to invest wrongly, and in this video I'll be showing you how to invest correctly and save for retirement as a 9-to-5 worker using cryptocurrency. So yup, I know that probably in the past you've heard about crypto. You have been asking yourself, how do I get into crypto? How do I save in crypto? How do I invest in crypto safely and save for retirement? If you're that woman, if you're that man, this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and please smash the like button, subscribe and follow me. Yup, so first of all, you need two applications: a centralized exchange application and a decentralized wallet. Now think of a centralized exchange application as a market where you go and buy and sell. Let's say, think of it as Terminus Market or Onitsha Main Market, where you go and buy goods and sell goods. Then think of a decentralized wallet as your pocket wallet. You know that your normal wallet, yeah? Think of it as it, and then you can now buy something and store in it. So yes, so you are going to the centralized exchange to buy these assets, and you are storing them in your decentralized wallet. Now I know the next question or the next thing that's coming to your mind is, how do you sign up? So on the description box of this video I dropped a link on how to sign up on a centralized exchange correctly using Bybit. So make sure you watch that video and sign up on a centralized exchange. Now for a decentralized wallet, we are going to be storing this crypto safely. To set up a decentralized wallet is so simple. All you have to do is go to Google Play Store or Apple Play Store, as you can see on the screen, and download Trust Wallet. There are a lot of decentralized wallets, but we'll be using Trust Wallet as an example in this video. When you download Trust Wallet, all you have to do is make sure you see this stuff on the screen. It's called seed phrase. That is like your password. So this seed phrase, please and please and please do not screenshot it. Do not store online. Do not store on Gmail. Write it on a book. We are doing it the old school way, write it on a book, cover that book and hide it. Anybody that has access to that 12-word seed phrase, or for some wallet is 24, they are going to have direct access to your account, and they might do and undo, and you don't want to be in that situation. Now that you have done this, your decentralized wallet has been set up. The next step now is to go to the centralized exchange account that you have set up. I made a video showing how to set up a Bybit account. By the way, Bybit is a centralized exchange, and funding this account and how to buy and sell assets is in the description box of this video. So make sure you watch it to know how to create your account, fund your account, and buy and sell assets. After doing that, it's time to buy a crypto asset. Which crypto asset should you be buying? Which crypto asset is the safest asset? Which crypto asset is not going to get rock pulled? Which crypto asset will I invest in and have peace of mind? I know that is what you should be thinking. And for what it is, I think the answer to that question is Bitcoin. Now, when a lot of people hear Bitcoin, they'll be like, I don't have a lot of money and Bitcoin is already at $100 and something thousand. How can I buy one Bitcoin? Where can I see $100 and something thousand to buy Bitcoin and all that? I understand those worries, and I'm here to tell you that with even 1,000 naira, with even 2,000 naira, with even 3,000 naira, you can invest in Bitcoin. So how does it work? It just simply means you are buying a fraction of Bitcoin. Yes, you can buy a fraction of Bitcoin, so you don't need to buy a whole Bitcoin. So yup, I'm recommending you invest in Bitcoin, and the reason I'm recommending you invest in Bitcoin is because of Bitcoin is the most trusted crypto asset so far, and that is just the truth, and that is why it is the #1 crypto asset, right? Because a lot of people invested more money in Bitcoin because they believe in Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin might not give you the fastest ROI in maybe 1 month, 2 months. It moves slowly but steadily, and the reason is this: because it has a lot of capital in it. A lot of people have invested a lot of money in it. So let's say for Bitcoin to move at 10%, you need to know the amount of capital that needs to come into Bitcoin. Unlike other smaller crypto assets, whereby let's say it's a $1 million market cap. So if another $1 million enters into that crypto market, that particular asset, I mean to say, the asset pumps 2x, 100%, because of it's a smaller market cap. Okay, so that is why I'm recommending Bitcoin, because a lot of people believe in Bitcoin, a lot of institutions believe in Bitcoin, a lot of governments, I mean El Salvador, they invested in Bitcoin, a lot of governments believe in Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is going to be rising. In fact, if you check the chart, just like the one I put in this screen, you will see that for years Bitcoin has been rising steadily. There's never been a time Bitcoin went below its launching price. It has been rising steadily. So remember, you are trying to save for retirement. So imagine investing in an asset that is steadily growing. And for what it is, you are very early to Bitcoin. I mean, Bitcoin was founded in 2008 and launched in 2009. Bro, this is 2025. It's just some few years. Bitcoin is a teenager. So investing in a teenager with a lot of potentials is not a bad idea, I mean to say. Yup, that is just a little background story. And this is what I think you should do. I think you should probably take out just 10% of your salary every month and buy a Bitcoin. Okay? 10% of your salary every month. Not buy a Bitcoin, I'm so sorry. Buy a fraction of Bitcoin for those of you that cannot afford full Bitcoin. You buy a fraction of Bitcoin. Yeah. So let's go over to buying Bitcoin and then sending it to your wallet where you are going to be storing your Bitcoin. Personally, I don't recommend storing your crypto asset on centralized exchanges, especially when you're planning to hold for long term. The reason why I'm saying this is because in the past, a lot of centralized exchanges have come and they have gone. Imagine a centralized exchange closing and you have your assets in it. I don't think that's going to be funny. With a decentralized wallet, you can't experience that. And the reason why you can't experience that is because a decentralized wallet is built as a smart contract. So smart contracts are automated programs that are executed on the blockchain. And once executed, in most cases, it cannot be altered. Okay, so that is why it is safer using a decentralized wallet to store and hold your crypto for long term. This is my bybit application and I'm trying to buy a fraction of Bitcoin in it. Now that I have bought this Bitcoin in it, I want to send it out to my trust wallet, right? Where I'm going to be storing my Bitcoin. The next thing I'm going to do is open my trust wallet application, just as you can see on the screen. Click on Bitcoin, click on receive, and then copy my wallet address. I need you to understand that a wallet address can be considered as your account number. So when you copy that wallet address and send Bitcoin to this same wallet address, it will reflect on your trust wallet. So after copying this Bitcoin wallet address from your trust wallet, go over to your bybit application, click on send. Different asset initials will pop up. Click on BTC, then paste your wallet address in the wallet address section and then input the amount of BTC you want to send out. But in this case, we are sending out all. So click on maximum and then click on send. Put your password and boom, that is it. You have invested safely in Bitcoin and you are now using Bitcoin as a safe haven and a retirement plan for you as a 9-to-5 worker. That is it. So I hope you learned something in this video, and if you did, please don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.